I got the Kodak M38 film camera recently, and to be honest, I never quite got the hype of film cameras, but recently I've been seeing a lot of pictures taken from film cameras and they really do look quite nice. So you know what, I got one, and I bought a bundle, so it comes with one camera, one film roll, batteries, and this keychain is quite cute. So let's open this up. Okay, it has an information card, and here is the actual camera. So it has a strap to hold the camera, and it's actually pretty lightweight. So to load the film, you pop this down and this comes out, and here is where the film goes. So then you pop this up and push it up so that your film roll can go here. So let me now open my film roll. This is the Kodak Ultra Max with 36 pictures. They actually look really similar, quite cute. So you just pop it in, and then you pull the film till it lines up with the two knobs. Pull it to tighten it. So you can see here that it is aligned with the knobs, and then you close it, push it back down, and then you rewind it until you can't rewind anymore, and you hear a click, and then now I can't rewind it anymore. So it's ready to be used. But first things first, let's put the batteries in. I have the two batteries that it came with. The negative side's here and the positives here. Close it, and yeah, the camera is ready to be used. So for flash, you slide this to turn it on, and you should see a bright red light, and this means that your flash is on. So you're supposed to slide it all the way until you see 1 here, but mine is like in between 1 and S. I can see a little bit of 1, so I hope everything's fine. So once you've taken a photo, you can just rewind this again, and then you'll be ready to take your second picture. I'm very excited to try and take some photos on my new camera, and hopefully I don't mess it up and it turns out alright.